Welcome to Unfold the Why. So in last video I have explained you the whole code of Spring Boot in very simple language. But in this video is going to be very short, in which I am going to tell you how this Spring Boot project works. So let's get started. So see, there are three layers in Spring Boot. First is controller, second is service, and third is repository. So what they all mean? So first, controller means, so whenever we send this request, it, it can be get request or any post request. It will be handled by controller. So and this request is sent to service by the controller. So what the service layer does is it handles the business logic of our code. So whenever this request is sent uh, by controller to the service handles this request and service processes this request and does the required work for this query. And what this repository does is service sends request. Service does his logic by sending request to repository. So what repository does is the repository interacts with MySQL database. So are you getting things now? So first request is handled by the controller. Controller sends this request to service and service calls this repository and does the required logic. So for example, if get request is sent by the user, then it will be handled by controller and get all employees or get all users is called from the service. So service calls the find all function from this repository. So hence we get all the users from this request. So like this post also works. Handles controller handles the post request. Post request is sent to service. Service uses the repository.save function and the user is saved in our database. So like this our whole code works. So repository uses JPA repository which interacts with users. So like this our whole code works. Thank you.